Here's a 2015 Ford F-150. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, V8 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and streaming audio. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.